Hi, I'm Daniel, Clinical Lead at Treated. Champix is a pill that can help you stop smoking for good. Normally you take it for about 12 weeks. It helps stop your cravings and makes withdrawal easier to cope with. Because it works by blocking the receptors in your brain that make nicotine feel good, if you do smoke, it's not as enjoyable. This helps you resist smoking until the cravings reduce. You take the tablets every day and you'll start taking it a few days before your quit date, just so that you can adjust. You'll start with something called a starter pack, and this contains a lower dose and it lasts about 2 weeks. Then you can move on to a maintenance pack, which is the dose that you take for the rest of the 12-week course. You can order Champix online from us. We've helped thousands of people get the help and treatment they need. You'll also get access to our expert team, so you can ask us questions at any time.